What's poppin', guys? We are doing a bath video. As you can tell, I am in my swimsuit. As you can tell, like right here. Here's my swimsuit. I have my swimming shirt on, my goggles, and we're doing a bath video this time. This is the first bath video I'm doing on my channel. So it's in 104-degree water, and we're gonna look for some surprises. And when I just opened the curtains too, as you can tell by the back, and the curtain got wet again. That's all if I could like see where people are. And we have some fidget spinners and fidget cubes. I have to look for 2 fidget spinners and 2 fidget cubes. 1 fidget spinner is from Japan, and 1 fidget spinner just has 2. It's from America, and it has 2 sides, and the one from Japan has 3. And I have 2 fidget cubes. One is black and one is blue, but I borrowed it from my mom. My dad got it for me, and that's about what I was gonna say. So for the 1 fidget cube is one fidget cube is broken, so it doesn't have a top on it. Like, it's kind of like you're playing a video game, and it doesn't happen. And this water is 104 degrees. I named it, and I wasn't sure. So I'm actually gonna turn the water off right now. As you can see, it's kind of getting a little quiet. I'm gonna step in the tub, and let's look for some surprises. Okay, so I'm in the tub right now, and I'm in the tub. Try not to get my iPad wet because this iPad is not waterproof. I have to put on my goggles. Please don't laugh at me if I look funny in my goggles. I need to clean these out. Okay, so I can see you guys. I kind of look funny with my hair and my goggles. My hair's a little crazy. We just came back from the park with my dog, and there was water on the sand, everywhere. So I'm gonna look for some surprises. Okay? I'm gonna go into the water and tell you what the surprise is. I'll leave the surprises in a line, right here. Okay? In 3, that's wet. Frick. In 3, frick. I just got the other one. In 3, 2, 1, go. You'll see me gone in 3. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. I found 1 fidget cube, okay? So I found 1 fidget cube already. Okay, go. To the second fidget cube. I think this is the broken one. And we have 2 more fidget spinners. 1, 2, 3, go. We found 1 fidget spinner. And the other fidget spinner. I'll tell you guys. Well, okay, so I found all this I gotta take my goggles off. So I have found all the things. I'm still in the tub, and I found all the things. Fidget spinner 2, fidget cube, other fidget cube. Okay, I'm just making them. Okay, so I got the iPad a little wet. Cause this was the first time I did a video in the iPad and in the tub. I like have to like drain the water. As you can see, my tub is filled up with water, and I have to drain it. I'm just relaxing now in the tub. Now I'm just gonna open the surprises. I'm just the camera, like, I'm just gonna put the camera over here. Okay. Okay. Fidget cube. Let's see if this is the broken one or. Yeah. I brought the broken one to school and it broke. No, this is the. I think this is the broken one. I think because it's blue. Wow, I can hear some noises from the fidget cubes. Like, if you can't hear that, I'll just make it closer. Can't you hear that? I think this is the broken one. This is the broken fidget cube. It's not like completely broken, but there's a missing top of it. I think I knew this one was the broken one, because the broken one's the blue one. And so this is the broken one. This one's fixed. Oh, there's like, this one broke because I like used this one. I could tell which one's the Japanese one and the American fidget spinner. I'm eating tape. See, this is a fidget cube. Like, I just got this one done, and as you can see, this part is broken. The one, let's see, it's a fidget cube spinner. I can also spin on either side. Look, this is a fidget cube spinner. Okay, this is the fixed one. Sorry, this is taking a while. Here's another fidget cube. Here goes my Japanese fidget spinner. I was just gonna buy this. My mom got it. I was gonna buy this for my girlfriend's birthday. And I was just too embarrassed to give it to her, so. I think this video is going to be an 11-minute video. Let's see. Here's the Japanese. And last but not least, this fidget spinner. It's 11 minutes now. And you guys can see this fidget spinner. It's like, it doesn't have 3 corners on it. It's a Batman fidget spinner. I have a glow in the dark one, but I don't know where it is. And here's another fidget spinner. I wanted to give this to my girlfriend, but I was too embarrassed. It was for her it was my girlfriend's birthday. And yesterday, sorry I couldn't do a video, but here's another fidget cube. Oh. Here's another fidget cube. Bye!